Don't you love it when people walk into your shop and they say, hey, here's my template, I want it cut out of wood or steel, and you don't have a DXF file? Well, that's when the logic trace system really helps. Just place that pattern on the board, that template on the board, and then trace it out with the pen stylus and save the DXF file. It will save you so much time. It doesn't matter what that pattern is drawn on. Just trace it with the pen and then save the DXF file. There it is. I'm doing this thing as a bunch of lines and arcs, but it is so easy and so fast. I'm going to switch everything to arcs, but it'll do lines when I do a line. Look at that. Just trace the pattern and save the file. Whoops. Oh, I did okay. I got a couple lines here. But just think how much time this would save you with your CNC shop. And no problem with templates anymore. Just trace it with the pen stylus. Save the DXF file. It's called the Logic Trace System. Look at that. It's great. I'm done. Save the file.